Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction's cleaning mode factor consists of two elements, which are the cleaning technology of the electric toothbrush and the cleaning programs that you can select. The Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction, despite being equipped with the excellent 3D technology, the toothbrush performs a triple movement of pulsation, oscillation and rotation, has only one program for brushing. In practical terms, this means that the toothbrush is not very versatile and that if you want to change the type of head, or you have special oral hygiene requirements, you will not be able to take advantage of the specially designed programs. It is still possible to purchase separately some of the replacement heads, dedicated to precise types of cleaning, in order to partially overcome this flaw, but the maximum results would be obtained by combining the movement of the head with the design of the bristles. Functions. The Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction is a very essential product that does not offer a wide range of functions. In fact, there is only the timer function. After 2 minutes from the start of the cleaning operation, the toothbrush emits a vibration that warns the user that the ideal brushing duration recommended by the dentist has been reached. Power. Considering the price, the product's performance is higher than what we have expected. The Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction has a nickel metal hydride battery. The batteries of this type are good, because they allow the motor to deliver good power, without risking losing efficiency over time. The autonomy is quite good, although lower than pricier products, and lasts about a week when fully charged, which takes about 12 hours. Design. The Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction is a small electric toothbrush, composed only of the body and a small charging base, making it the ideal for those who have little space available in their bathroom. Accessories. In the package we can find the charging base and a head. A positive note is that the included head, instead of being of the standard type, is a cross-action type, with precision angled bristles that manage to clean the teeth better and deeper. Final verdict. The Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction is one of the best budget electric toothbrushes, mainly for two reasons: the use of 3D cleaning technology and a very good power system, which make it much more valuable in performing than other products with a similar cost. Clearly, as this is a cheap toothbrush, it doesn't come with all the bells and whistles of pricier models. For these reasons, the Oral-B Pro 600 CrossAction is the ideal product for those who want an essential and cost-effective electric toothbrush, but without sacrificing quality.